Here I have Lenovo Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to change screen timeout on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the display section, and here you can find an option wait a second. No, it should be in the display. Okay, here you have screen timeout. I haven't noticed it for some reason. So you can set it for 15, 30 seconds, 1, 2, 5, 10 or even 30 minutes. Or you can just set up your screen to never sleep. I'll set it on 2 and we'll be glad with that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.